Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. Yeah, welcome to Speaker Nawe. And today, it's got kids section. I can look for Speaker Now. Kids section, welcome to Speaker Now. How are you?
For sure.
It's grand, yeah. Speaker Nawe. Mhlambe abangayibukanga interview yakho yokuqala. Ngayintroducer uthi ubani kids section mhlambe.
Oh yeah, kids section originally from Uqumbu. Uqumbu, yeah, hip hop artist. But versatile. I don't know hip hop artist, but I'm a musician. Yeah.
Okay, maybe babiza kubani ekhaya.
Okay, igama lami lokubiza ekhaya nguSixolisi. So Sixolisi.
Lela section livela lapho.
Eka section khola pe stratweni. Senze umuntu we-strat yabo.
Okay. Okay, so this is the reason we invite you to Speaker Now. Ngifuna sikhuluma ngale project yakho la uyidrophe ngo end of April. So uthi mhlambe ijeni yakhona uyirecorde kuphi urecorde nobani. So ngifuna si break it down ngoba sijule ukwenza ama reviews for abantu abangekho but wena ukhona ukuthi uthethile la. So ibizwa ngani project yakho siqale nje lapho.
For sure, wow, such a long journey.
Because inengoma eningi.
Yeah. And suppose bazi ngeke suppose bazi zininzi than ezipha. Because zingabi 12 or 11. Yeah, for sure. Okay, the project Third Spark EP. I was in Cape Town 2024 qala kamuspana kuyo but ibinge Third Spark igama layo. I was planning to drop an album which lizoba nengoma close to 20 maybe 18 so I recorded ingoma nise Cape Town zonke ngazigqiba but bese masterishwanga mixwanga apho endirecorda khona but then zenzeka zafail bandi drop kwa 2024 then I planned ba okay drop ngo 2025 yabo zezingoma ezi1 zisekhona kumjijelo bendiproducela khona so 2025 January still spana kule EP ngikho okay ngoku but besa spana kuye budget ba okay ngikwazi bandenze promos and stuff and everything
so the time sekuphela 2 years uzlo spana
project one because ben plan be album and benifuna beyiwe enkulu so 2025 I went to check the way the project okay so yamba kanjani because ibudget yami besizilweni qoma okay yeah ready for drop again. I went to check the EP we producer the project we produce ba okay khamba afika ingoma ezininzi zicrashile ezinye mess so because khona ezinye bendizisendele uPablo so laso sindaziya kanjalo phakuzo since ke ngezizifilile okay so like I was like damn after like span ixesha ngakho okay so I didn't like undermine and ahlala still in Cape Town 2025 around get place around August then I went to Ejuice so that's where I met all Sonic Till yeah no Rex so I had one pin in the from scratch the record any project different beats
so uqalele for the time that's why ibizwa nge Spark okay I know sekala understand lenze sense ke lapho maybe uzoqala nje from the first song ngizule mangilalele lapho ufunani egoli ifuna egoli section ngoba kusho ingoma yakho ngibuza wena into efuna egoli
boy yazi le ngoma ize njani okay like let me break it for you by ize njani bandithi ufunani egoli so yafika Joburg ne so nifika Joburg I'm staying with my cousin or angikadibano Sonic yabo staying with my cousin so like sihleli apha endlini yabo
ayikho imali
akho mali akunzima
ngizwa ngengoma yakho ba
akho mali
ongenamali onokulunga la
akho mali and silambile yabo then khalele i-cousin wami ba ubufunana egoli ngenamali I was like, what the fuck? Like, can't this booze and I'm like, when funa ndo negoli yami ngenamali yabo. Yapeda for sure. Okay, I'll be like, okay. Ngikadibano Sonic. Le way ihlela lapha enhloko yandezi ba ufuna negoli. So I met Sonic maybe the following week. I think ingoma yesibini record leyo ndifika ku Sonic because record ndifika same time ndifika.
So the time nje bekubuza ukuthi ufuna negoli uqala phansi
ngiqala phansi ndiyabhala
angizwile ne-story sakhona and yenza sense because egoli hlezi kushiwo ukuthi hayi ongenamali
survive
imali.
if you are survive.
There's one guy engizwile kwenye ingoma le Upsi Days. Who's that guy?
Lo bethi chorus lona song le thing beke weza apha. Not sure if 2025 or 2024.
Okay, interview, I think that it was last year June.
Uye lo bethi chorus.
So below hook le.
And then ibe ngu bano spin uRex.
Is
also from Joe's but walapha apha Eastern Cape.
uRex I think ukhona ingoma enengoma.
The producer nguye.
Oh, that's why
most yengoma producer nguye.
That's why I think
ngimzwile no Pablo but ingoma ezininzi producer nguye uRex.
No, ngithandile. There's also another song I think engithandile because into engine-issue nayo nina nenzela amanye ama-rappers of music. So there's one song engizwile ngathi okay I think benza ingoma sebenzana nama-baddies. Khona ingoma lapha ebiza nge-bounce. I think ama-baddies lapho bengayi-appreciate leyo but i-short why nisike izingoma emnandi kanje mase iba 2 minutes yo ngine-issue serious ngalezi ngoma ezimshana. Ngi-understand i-trend yamanje but why that song ise i-short ngaleyo ndlela.
Okay, the thing is like just since a project and I believe bana ingoma kufanele zibe short just for a playback yabo. For not zonke kufanele zibe long because ihambe ithini ihambe ibhola.
But that one ibhenga lana.
It's a banger for sure. Because le ngoma yazi yenze nini? I think yenze bese Cape Town. But then they record ngoba okay le angikwazi because i-beat yami ngisenayo. Because i-beat yami yenza kuba uzushi so isekhona kwi-emails. So I had one access to emails because I still then they perform West Coast ngomnyaka I think 2024 or 2025.
I know ayinsobulenge ngisho bethi ama-baddies nga-appreciate leyo
for sure.
Awonje leyo wadlelela wona. There's a song ene storytelling laphana ejulile ngizwe laphana I think abantu abaningi bazorelisa kuyona like abantu abanomgola laphana ebambele ukuthi abantu bengayekeleli stuff. Bewenzakalani bomini bakubhala leyo ngoma leyo?
Which one lethi ibambelela? Oh le ibambelela. I think it's just a song like
manje story maybe nje usibhala from experience empilweni zabantu noma into personal edenzala kuona.
It's personal kumphinde futhi ibe izinto lezibona zisenzeka yabo. Like for example mina I've been doing music since 2013 until now. So ithetha ngami ithetha ngabanye abantu in everything weyenzayo.
So
just keep going
babambelele. I think that song ine message.
Ine message.
Even engathiwa maybe leyo umsebenzi wakho usubmit e-radio I think yona ngoba engafika i-appreciate abantu base-radio because it's soft
for sure. And the featuring A-Master Mos. I was like, feature okay nibhalele ngoma yana 2 verses. Yana 2 verses ni hook. But kanibona man I think le ngoma inida omnye umuntu angikwazi yenza ndedwa like i-message yayo ayizu bangalendlela ngifuna ngayo xa nehope kuzo zoyi-2 verses. I was thinking banofaka bani verse. Luckily A-Master siyanqabana ke naye bese Joe's by that time then I'm inviter so ngene studio ku Sonic.
No ngiyayithanda i-message yakhona ngiyathanda ingoma ezine-meaning as much as ngiyithanda lezi ngoma e-vibe but I think leyo ngiya-appreciate kakhulu. There's also another song engiyithandile I think nayo maybe ungasitsho uyibhalela bani i-Night Rider lapha ngathi ibhalela umntwana naye Night Rider.
But the Night Rider
ngathi ukhona umntwana omdinga somdinga ebusuku phela but apha emini hayi awukho lapho.
Fani indlela ezingayo le track cause studio nim no Rex lo mjito leben producer most of the time. So like we're in studio when the beat agqiba beat and then enze i-chorus yale ngoma which is i-hook le. So I was supposed bangene ku verse 1 yena ngene ku verse 2 or ngene ku verse 2 verse 1 suppose bas share verses but then I was like damn the hook like nami ngicingisa kwezinye izinto like I was like bro like sewenze kakhulu wena ku hook so can ngeke no hope kuzo zoyi-2 verses when we write up ku hook. So that's how it came up.
So yabona le
for sure
isound engathi ngavele ibe commercial nje.
And ibidlala kakhulu kwi Soweto FM.
Also uyasubmit nakhona le Egoli.
For sure submit. Soweto.
Akhona ama interviews owahambile mhlawumbe ngalo. especially
Yeah.
lama community radio station sokwaya kuSoweto FM
When you saw it FM, I think 2 times, ne?
2 times.
Yeah.
No uyaphusha uqumbe ukhuphula noma ungapi.
For sure.
Uyaphusha.
For sure. And then Hill, bro, I think India khona yafela since when busy. I was supposed ba sise Hill, but then
I know samele bangene bonke no Alex FM nafana
yeah,
balahlile bonke la.
for sure.
Maningi ama community aseJozi. So yeah, yizo nje lengoma engizwile. Kodwa nenye ene feature laphana uNtswembo nawo umunye umjita. Abantu abaningi bafeature la uthola abantu ngempela. Ithi I'm the one ubalo uZed guy ofeature la.
I'm the one. Oh, Mihlalo.
Mhlalo wakhona naye apha.
Yeah, he's also we brother ka Sonic. Lapha Qumbu naye. But then seJozi naye.
seJozi naye.
Yeah, the recorded studios you in case in fact behlala sonke endaweni eyi-1. Record almost every day. So umjita uthi Ntswembo le ngoma ne? Easy, Ntswembo for sure. Like I won't believe about umjita, it was because mina ke uqala ba
record yo. Yeah, ngathi dayiqhelile.
I think uthi ebesenza umculo before, but then benga record like ubone like since brother yakho senza umculo, so now like usoloku khona and stuff.
Yo, mina ngithi umuntu okudala esekeni.
Ebeqala ukurecord ngalami
Ntswembo naye.
first verse yakhe.
Yeah.
Fire.
So there's also another song engiyibonile eMkhayinis. I-Won't Compromise lapha. I-recorde ngamuphi unyaka yona mhlawumbe 16 story sayo. Ungasicula ngayo i-recorde ngamuphi unyaka yona.
Nayo ne-recorde this year.
This year.
I think maybe ingoma yi-6-7 ukurecorda kwami. Ngoba record same time namsendela same time.
Umsendela iverse.
Because I trust him ba like aninike i-project. Buya fast.
Mhlawumbe ungayibreak down esebenza kanjalo lento yokusendelana ingoma mhlawumbe umuntu umsendela i-beat then erecordela ama vocals kuphela noma umsendela wonke erecord studio sakhe kubuye sekudibene wonke mhlawumbe from umuntu okuqumbu owafuna ama features but abanye amakwezinye indawo isebenza kanjani i-system leyo.
Isebenza easy but isebenza ngendlela ezi different depend producer leyo but mina indlela engizifana ngayo ngi-record maybe let's say ngirecord abaqumu then recorder i-vocals zami zibe raw azihambi
na beat
azihamba ne-beat but azihamba na-effects akufana nge-X0 and then I send them kulo muntu lo as i-zip file yeah.
Okay.
Then I send it kulo muntu lo producer or kulo artist le then kayifika uzofika ayivule ku-FL naye FL ihambelana mos i-version version then ayivule phana xa ivula phana uzofika zikhona i-vocals zami ne-beat ikhona sikhona i-space yakhe nemishini.
Umshina ne-space yonke into nje umsendela i-template ephelele.
Yeah, yena ithanda nje ukufaka i-vocals zakhe.
Okay.
And then if izomixwa nguye izomasashwa nguye so sayenze if uzonza ndimi aphinde ayibuyise back as a zip file again.
Okay. No, so ayibi MP3 belize izizip so izi sound iphelele yonke.
Angayenza MP3 just for i-reference ba sound njani stuff.
But belibuye as i-file
as zip file xa ivula ifana ibe one.
Okay, no, I think
easy kanjalo but abanye benza ngendlela zabo mina indlela enjenza ngayo.
I think education efunekayo lapha kubantu ababule speaker now because I'm not sure if are you aware uba u-influential lapha kuqumbu.
I'm aware, yes. I'm aware, man. I'm aware, but they're not ngalandle. But I'm aware.
Yes, yesterday I was interviewing someone, even off air. One of the guys abuela again apha kuqumbu. Kid section
for sure.
Even negama lakhe ubani kid something na so because
kwalomjita lo
interview yakhe bizolo siqophende siqophizolo ebusuku sazoyibona so intwana nje seningi ngisho siqale around about 2019 but ifuna i-feature nawo ngalendlela
it's possible
and yasho ifuna kakhulu umuva kule sound yakhe abo le crap Khosa wave isho la
possible mina as long is easy usipana nami as long ba angisendele project namhlanje uzospana kuyo uyibuyise maybe kusasa manje nje sinyanga
because udelay progress yakho now
ithi kayifika nisikho sendlini like sen move on
okay
because kufana nami umculo manje ezela umculo mina like I feel like ngase di record namhlanje because yeah that producers am the pressure Sonic bra mixa the track pop
so that you record sesemudini lento isekwena
then di drop iselapha ku magazine yabo ku easy no ku promote yabo kayithathe inyanga I feel like sensenza nje because the way kudala ngiyiva yabo kudala ngiyilindile damn iwe eseqhubeka kwenzeka ngoku.
Okay, I know. I think so plug intwana ngoba sekutholile ngishilo ukuthi ngizobe ukukhuluma nawe. Then kube khona iWhatsApp, one of my favorites ku-EP yakho.
Oh, what's up?
But i-producer obani recorde nini kanjani? Sini sorisana.
What's up? Producer. Yabo enye into ephilini bidise. It's hard to differentiate by project one between Sonic no Rex because amaxesha amaninzi basoba i3 studio. Yeah, abambo Rex, abambo Sonic. So in between Sonic no Rex.
But near recorded Joes.
Yeah, it shows. Yeah,
it's also Joes. Then there's also another song you say
that yona imix Pablo.
Oh, Pablo. Yeah, ngiyambona uPablo khona lapha kuma credits. Ingoma le say that le ngathi ngisho ngathi ne style saseKapa. Irecordwe ngamunya urecordele phike nama features akhona. I think nayo no Rex now. Irecordwe ngamuphunyaka nini le
say that nayo recorded this year.
Yeah,
because the project irecordwe ngenyanga eyi1
ngoba ezinye ingoma busu rewrite available busuke bazenza
bese record
easy
easy
akho easy ungarecord ingoma eningi in 1 month.
It's easy because thina siyakwazi record maybe 5 songs in 1 day.
Yeah, yeah.
Not even not like a mini one, maybe 5 hours.
Oh, so abantu sengiqhelile na indlela enisebenza ngayo flow.
Yeah, cause like say like free like akhomba ujudge omni ba so if like there's a mistake and long is sure move on send the track.
No, so mpule track na yenye track na ngithandile. I think
usayida
yeah
uPablo uRex Sonic.
Yeah.
So mna le okay wenza beat wemjito Sonic. I baby beat and then I put on the hook. Like I was just ngabe ndizenzela nje like ingoma nje like ayonto real. I was just like
because the story sakhona
I
think ngarelate kusona baningi osayida paqumbu.
Yeah, and more to joke ama ngathi losida kuthi ngathi
baningi apoqumbu.
So okay ba hope Sonic cause nale then I give it to Pablo bafaka iverse yakhe.
Yeah.
Then yabo and then iyalifonela ba yo wasabi thini ka sayida is it real or what? It depends ba wena wait mood maybe if kusayida maziyo and so cause uthi yena mna like uthetha ngento real.
Yeah,
it's nice fine.
Yeah, no, I think nami sikhona into zosayida lapho esengeke ngazizwa before. And this was another song they outstanding. That's a meme being him.
Him. That's my favorite. That's my favorite.
Ubhale nini mhlawumbe from isequence ubhale iphile yakho maybe wona ingoma ubhale egqibeleni noma uqaleni ubhale nini then
him.
Yeah, because it sound like ingoma ubhale so ngathi ubusu confident ngeproject akuba no.
Yeah.
Ile lethi ngifuna ube yiyona ubhale nini yona.
I think with him section ngoma ezithuba iproject le.
And confidence.
Yeah, and I'm not sure because ingoma ezininzi zidropha because I think I still have close to 10 songs. Shekile.
No bezini.
Plus sinenye EP futhi besiyenzile sisonke namajiva which is 8 songs. So yabona yaspan ingoma esalinileyo still. So yeah.
Anoniphushile maybe before si wrap up i-interview yethu ufuna break it down maybe ufake kanjani ingoma zakho ukuthi zibe khona kuma digital stores because enye into i-challenge ama-artists amaningi abaqombu abanye barecorda ngama beat ama-downloaded then mase uploada bamblocker because only copyright yengoma ukuthi beat downloadile wena wenza kanjani maso upload la mhlambe bezofunda nabababukela.
First when I beats and is download is ndizenzela because I different producers yabo Pablo Zushi or Sonic or Rex so iba easy for upload and Spanish Dito yeah.
So isebenza njani into yakho ubanikeza umsebenzi usuphelele ubaxelele ne-date dropha ngayo.
Okay yeah project yakho iphelele let's say maybe you have 10 songs yenzile art cover yakho Sony art cover yonke way you upload you perfectly subscribe because I think it's close to 300 and something. I'm not sure.
So abantu bayezo vele bekhupha imali bayofuna izinto zabo zibe right because this another thing abanye abantu abafuna ukinvest
afuna ukukhupha la mali so I think bayo 200 something 300 something I'm not sure
ubhadala once a year.
Yeah, once a year
Okay, ngo-200 showcase imali abayispenda lapha kwidatha.
Ngiyayibona.
Bengawa-afford.
And uyakwazi uspend 200 ngemini eyi-1 on-Friday uthenga ibhotile ye-Old Park.
So ungakwazi uspende
So
kumuzi
ukwazi kumuzi wakho for unyaka wonke, not for 1 month, for unyaka wonke. So bhatala la mali, la fee, then after bhatala la fee, you upload, then you choose i-date. Maybe awuvuthi ufuna udropha kusasa. Maybe banike 2 weeks so that benze bazi-check i-track zakho uba yonke way-grain art cover, yonke way, yabo. And then you upload, choose i-date, maybe you choose i-20. So bona bazoku-notify, okay, ngoku i-track zakho zi-live, zi-ready. You can share i-link yakho and everything. Because if like ukhethe i-date ekufitshi, awuzoba nalo kuthiwa yi-pre-save, khola kuthiwa yi-pre-save.
ngiyabona ilink le.
Linye i-pre-save, zoveze iphume kuphela. Kanti xa banike i-date ekude banayo i-pre-save. Because nami like I was rushing uba ndidrop kanti benayo i-pre-save. Benayo i-pre-save, I don't think benayo i-pre-save.
So busurasha udrop.
Sendashe udrop bayithi isuke le way. So I choose i-date ekufitshi, kanti benayo i-pre-save. Because the pre-save iyanceda because you see
especially kwi-marketing.
For sure, yeah. Because you see akhona abantu abayilindeleyo leyo, uyakwazi ubona.
Yeah, because this another thing engayenzi kumele u-create i-build up
ungavele udrop because kunyuka into monthly listeners, especially if like usonomculo pha ku-digital platforms. So
yeah, so I think leyo information ebalekile. So siyabonga ukuthi ufike ku-speaker nawe. Before maybe sivala again, another question, because abantu be-art abawathola ama-credits, ubani owenze art cover yakho because ngiyibonile i-prop le-album.
Oh, for sure, Sonic. Yeah, it's Sonic Till. Tswempu and indlela yenziwe ngayo like bisenziwa like sisamisa yonke okay ngoku like you are doing this art cover.
Nayenzana ne-photoshoot.
Bi-photoshoot le.
Because ngibonile i-picture ngathi i-picture.
You are doing this
i-photoshoot like
photoshoot.
Serious la.
Yeah, everything yenziwe ngamajita wami.
No, so kuma-graphics sabelo umplug kubantu abaningi abafuna
for sure
ama-graphics.
Sonic Till is the guy. He's been doing my covers ever since ndaba ngompunyana.
I know. Hopefully maybe speaker naye so interview na one day because sazobangena segoli speaker nawe akho lesingafiki khona.
Yeah.
So speaker nawe sifuna this namhlanje kule ngoba inengoma eningi le ishangisa khona uma ngasifuna noma 2 song mhlawumbe izipho ngakhetha. So
for Bunny's perform.
Yeah. We sure today.
Zithanda zonke, but I would love the perform him, which is, but it is over tricky because
feature.
It has features and
yeah, ngashaya ivesi yakho maybe
ivesi yami yani hook and verse, yeah, for sure. And then angikwazi nokhetha ke ngoyincane.
Just at least number 2 nyana
bo. Ngikhethe him when ngikhethela abantu.
Just let me know bofuna into in storytelling maybe
for sure.
Ngale ibambelele. Yeah, but also ne WhatsApp yabo nami singabhidiseki because I think ingoma enye catch and leyo easy because wena ukuhook. So ningaba nehook ibe neverse. I think ngayenza sense ke leyo.
Yeah, because iba tricky nakuthanda iya performer stuff. I'm like to perform iphi ingoma up tracks intswembu zonke.
Ziningi zinama features futhi because kuba is like mozo perform ingoma like I think i-bounce we bounce.
Yeah.
One. Yeah, but no, I think you know WhatsApp or else ibambelele. Sticker glaze. So yeah, shout out for you to ufike speaker now
for sure.
Nano to drop ama projects because abantu abaningi basaba ukukhipha ama projects. Bashaya ama single. Wena ngibona ngathi awusabi because I think last year we drop something lena le ngoma leyana no feature le no Prodigy. That was 2025
ilanga lam 2025 or 2024.
Yeah, we drop. So ngoba uphinde udrop bukade
udrop. I've been dropping like singles. Yazi EP inspire nguwe. Remember Stibana usithi I was like you need to drop a project so that we know what kind of an artist you are. Oh yeah, for sure. Like le ngoma ithi ilanga lam drop no Trudy G. I think it was in 2024 no road delay. Yeah. Because I've been dropping since all dropping singles until like the day in Tibana now. Convince Tibana so you like stay tanje. And then we sit in bros like you need to drop a project, maybe EP or an album, done singles every time so that we know what kind of an artist you are like focus kwe sound and
and
stuff
abantu
that-
kuba is bebe catch up because kunama-fans uzowathola today.
yeah,
So lo muntu uzoya epageni yakho ufuna ukuzwa music wakho, so kuba
For sure.
easy uma ufika kukhona ama-projects
Ama-projects,
different ukuthi
yeah.
okay le artist lenza this sample, because sometimes umuntu uba ne-single thothi le sound ayenza kulo single izothi even i-sound yakho just bayenza for one song.
For
So,
sure,
yeah,
yeah.
i-project iba mnandi lapho because uyayithola i-identity ye-artist, but yeah, shout out to ukuthi ufike uspeaker nawe, so nizokunika i-space ushayele i-performance la. Maybe ma-socials bakuthola apha bangafollow
Yiphi main camera kwezi?
naye.
That's why.
Bheka kule.
Okay, for sure. Kids section, yonke now. Facebook, kids section. Instagram, kids section SA. TikTok. I lost the account yami ka TikTok. Damn. But in kids section SA, inchale, I think I know 100 followers. But yeah.
Say you on. Okay, no shout out. So yeah, so i-performance yakho anyway nathi sekhona ku Twitter ethi speaker nawe, sikhona ku TikTok speaker nawe show, sine page elisha lapha na ku YouTube, I mean ku Facebook speaker nawe show, so abantu abasifollow lapho sinama likes I think awu-30, yeah, so have a new page nathi lapha ku Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah,
For sure.
speaker nawe show.
And another thing, sukela ngoku since ngidrophe the EP, there's more coming.
Okay, I
There's
know.
more coming.
So born. Thank you.
For sure.
For sure.